Which small business makes the most money? Starting a small business can be a challenging yet rewarding venture. However, choosing the right business idea can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to profitability. In this video, we will discuss some small business ideas that can make the most money. 1. Online retail store. Online retail stores have become increasingly popular over the years, especially during the pandemic. It allows businesses to reach a vast audience and provides customers with the convenience of shopping from the comfort of their homes. With the rise of e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Shopify, starting an online retail store has become more accessible than ever. 2. Food truck business. Food trucks have become a trendy and profitable business idea in recent years. It provides entrepreneurs with the opportunity to start a mobile business and reach customers in various locations. Additionally, food trucks have lower overhead costs than traditional restaurants, making it a more affordable option. 3. Digital marketing agency. Digital marketing has become an essential aspect of every business's success. However, not all businesses have the expertise or resources to handle their digital marketing needs. Starting a digital marketing agency provides entrepreneurs with the opportunity to provide various services such as social media management, search engine optimization, and content creation. 4. Personal training and fitness coaching. Health and fitness have become a significant concern for many people, making personal training and fitness coaching a profitable business idea. It provides entrepreneurs with the opportunity to help people achieve their fitness goals and lead a healthier lifestyle. 5. Home cleaning services. Home cleaning services have become a popular business idea, especially for busy individuals who don't have the time to clean their homes. It provides entrepreneurs with the opportunity to start a low-cost business and provide a valuable service to their customers. 6. Pet care services. Pet care services, such as pet grooming, dog walking, and pet sitting, have become a lucrative business idea in recent years. With more and more people adopting pets, the demand for pet care services has increased, providing entrepreneurs with the opportunity to start a profitable business. Starting a small business can be a challenging yet rewarding venture. By choosing the right business idea, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of success and profitability. Some of the most profitable small business ideas include online retail stores, food truck businesses, digital marketing agencies, personal training and fitness coaching, home cleaning services, and pet care services.